Hey guys, it's Annie Margarita Yang, back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a AI headshot generator called the Multiverse AI. Now, this is the fourth one in a series of about 23 that I am going to be reviewing. I am going to pay for these out of my own pocket. These are not sponsorships. The point of doing this is because a lot of college students, they cannot afford to get a professional headshot taken because it costs around $300 to $500. And, that's quite some money. So I'm trying to figure out a good solution that college students can use. So maybe you can take a selfie or some photos with your phone and get an AI headshot that looks realistic and natural, but also professional to use on your LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to be reviewing all of these to find out what is the best one. And I actually genuinely want to know what's the best one because I want to give a solution that I can recommend because I will be giving talks at colleges. And this is one of the things that college students struggle with. Okay, so let's get started and let's go to Multiverse AI. I always like to get the most expensive one, but it seems like Multiverse AI only has one plan. Okay, so let's get started. I am a woman. They want at least 12 images cropped around my face and my shoulders. Okay, my face is not covered. Glasses are okay, sunglasses are not, and I have not repeated photos and they show some variation. Okay. So I'm going to be using the same inputs that I have been using for all the other AI generators. So basically, for the third video, which was Try It On AI, they only wanted this cropped from shoulders up. And for the first two, I used this. And I was thinking well, what if the reason the first two didn't resemble me too much was because I didn't crop it from shoulders up. So going forward, if they're asking for a photo and they're just not specifying whether they want half of my body up, torso up, I'm just going to go with the square version of shoulders up. So I'm going to use these 14 pictures. They want at least 12. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Bing. Okay. Okay, it looks like the wait time for this website is 2 hours, so I'll be back in 2 hours, but you just have to wait a few seconds. See you in a few seconds. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got this email from the Multiverse AI. I don't remember what I said was the wait period because in the meantime, I have signed up for the 3 other headshot generators. So anyway, it was clearly really quickly because I had started recording at around 5:30 p.m. And at this point, it's 6:06 p.m. So I think it was probably 30 minutes max. So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, nope. Guys, I look so white. What is this? Oh my god. Unlock 100 more photos for $7. I don't think so. Nope. Guys, this service makes me look like maybe I'm half Asian, half white. I mean, I guess if one of my parents, either my mom or my dad, was Caucasian, this is what I would look like, but this looks nothing like me. Doesn't look accurate at all. But I have to admit, she's quite pretty. This Annie Yang lookalike is quite pretty indeed. Let's see. I mean, this is the most similar to me, but I might as well have practically used the original at this point, right? Let's see. I mean, this looks okay. Look, she's really pretty, but she doesn't look like me. I wish I looked like her. Maybe I could become a model if I looked like her. Let's see. But the quality of the photos look nice. I'll give them props to that. Let's see. This looks more Asian. On the right side, this photo looks more Asian than the half Asian, half white look that they've been giving me. Maybe this is a good service. I can't tell. Maybe it'd be better if you were Caucasian, right? If you were like already Caucasian, maybe you'd get the results you're looking for. I mean, like this looks close to me. Kinda. Let's see. I mean, I feel like I can't give an honest review unless I have a white person put in their inputs. Maybe it'd be closer to the original. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to handpick a few of these to put on my site. I mean, I feel like a couple of these, like, for example, maybe this one that I was pointing out, it resembles me far more than Headshot Pro. So, like, this is the fourth result that I have gotten back. Whoops. It's the fourth result I've gotten back. I would have to say so far in this experiment, Try It On AI is number one in terms of resemblance. Maybe this one, the Multiverse AI, is number two for maybe just one or two photos here and there, but not like the whole thing that comes out. And then maybe number three would be Headshot Pro, but even then, there wasn't that much resemblance. And then definitely number four, don't buy that service. It's Vidnas. Okay, so I will be downloading some of these pictures and uploading it to my website on Annie Yang Financial. And right now I am compiling together an article comparing all of the different AI headshot generators. So to do that, you basically go to the book resources section of annieyangfinancial.com. And then you scroll down to chapter 16 where it says AI headshot generators. You click read. And then right after this video, I am going to just upload the pictures to this section of the site. So you see so far I have three. Then I'm going to add the Multiverse AI. I will also add an affiliate link. Like if you do end up wanting to try the service or you thought the photos ended up coming out okay, though I think they're okay, they're not great. But if you do want to pay, then you can help me out financially with my channel by using the affiliate link. Let's see, did this one have an affiliate link? Yes, I will also add an affiliate link to this page here. And if you click on that, then I will earn a commission for every sale that successfully goes through. If you enjoy this series, or if you enjoy any of the job search advice that I give, then please support my channel by heading over to annieyangfinancial.com and getting the 5-day job search book. If you're on the fence and you're not sure about whether you want to get the book or not, whether it's worth spending your money, worth your investment, the audiobook is free. All you need to do is go to the top portion and then click on the 5-day job search audiobook. And over here on the site, well, why is my site loading so slow? Over here on the site, maybe if I open in a new tab. Okay. Over here on the site, you can put in your first name, your email, click email me a copy, and it'll be available for download. And then after you listen to the audiobook, because the audiobook is 5 hours long, you're going to realize it's chock full of just so much information because it has 49 chapters. And the way you really read this book to really get the most success out of it is you read something, then you apply and implement the advice. Then you go back and read something, and then you implement more of the advice. So that's why you're going to find out you most likely will want to buy the paperback version, because this book is more like a reference. It's more like a Bible. It's something you want to read more than once. So once you've decided you want to get the paperback version, I am selling a signed paperback copy. All you need to do is go on the homepage and click the orange button, buy my signed copy now. And for a limited time only, you can get a 10% off discount on the signed paperback by using the coupon code WIN. That's spelled WIN. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. What do you think of the Multiverse AI? How do you think these photos turned out? Do you think they whitewashed me, or you think they look okay? Does this look like me? Like if you saw me in real life, do you think you would be able to recognize that this looks like me? Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.